Hi, it's me, Hili, and today I want to show you how to use Toontastic, a wonderful app to create animations like dialogues and monologues between characters. Students get to choose the background, the scene, and the characters. They can record their voice and create a Hollywood movie, meaning a short video in movie style. So let's start. As we go into the Toontastic app, we click the plus sign and we choose the type of storyline we like. So let's choose the very easiest one, short story. And we choose the beginning.
The beginning, where you introduce the characters and the setting of your story.
So now students can choose a scene, any scene they'd like. Let's say spooky camp. Then they get to choose their characters from many different characters. So let's choose this one and let's say this one. And when they're done, they can click the arrow. And as they start, they need to move the character so people will understand which character is actually speaking. Start. Hi, Bonnie. Oh, hi, John. How are you? I'm good. Have you seen my friend Ron? Yeah, I think he went that way. Okay, I'm gonna go look for him. Okay, when you're done, click stop.
Hi,
and your
Bonnie.
scene will play.
Oh, hi, John.
You'll be able to
How are you?
add music.
I'm good. Have you seen my friend Ron? Yeah, I think he went that
Romantic
way.
music.
Okay, I'm gonna
Sad
go look
music.
for him.
Bold music. Scared. I think scared is the best. When you're done, click the check. Now you can continue and add in more scenes to your story, but if you're done, you can decide that students can decide that they only want to do one scene. So then they click finish. Then they just write a title for their video. The camp or camping. And then they write their name. When they're done, they can click here on the little check mark. This is the video.
Hi, Bonnie. Oh, hi, John. How are you? I'm good. Have you seen my friend Ron? Yeah, I think he went that way. Okay, I'm gonna go look for him.
Okay, so when we're done, we can share this. So we can click export and it will save to our library on the phone. From there, they can send it to their teacher, their friends, the Google site, anywhere they like. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have many ideas for students. Have a great day.